Moving sucks, but it'll suck a lot less if you follow these 4 easy moving hacks.
Hey, I'm Alex.
And I'm Phillip.
And we teach you what you need to know about your personal finances using words you can understand without boring you to death.
Because adulting shouldn't suck. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In the comments below, let us know if you're excited about moving.
In this video, we're going to go over 4 different things that are going to make moving less stressful and less expensive. All right, so maybe you're moving because you want to upgrade to a better place, or your current situation isn't good and you just got to get out, or, I don't know, maybe you got kicked out of your parents' house.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes moving is like a good thing. I mean, something you can be excited about. It's something that you've prepared for. You saved up all this money, and now you finally made it to that big old end goal, and you get to move. Sometimes you're forced to move, and you have to go, and you don't have a choice. Moving can be really expensive, and it can be extremely time-consuming. And it's just not all that fun. Everybody that I've ever met says moving sucks. And, I mean, firsthand experience, moving super sucks. If I ever have to do it again, which I will, totally paying a moving company. But I can't, so.
I'm too cheap for that. Okay, so hack number 1, you're going to want to double check your rental agreement. If you're moving from one rental to another one, you're going to want to know exactly what you have to do to get the maximum amount of your security deposit back.
Most people, when they put down their security deposit, it's typically first month's rent, and that's going to be a lot of money. So you want to go back through your lease, like he said, and make sure that what was broken is still broken, and you didn't add any more things to break, or you didn't add any more damage to that list, because your security deposit is going to be used to replace or repair that type of stuff. So if you didn't break anything, or if there's a couple things you did break that you could fix on your own, it's going to save you a lot of money. You're going to get some of that money back. So then you could cut back on the moving expenses because, who doesn't like getting some money back?
All right, so hack number 2 is get rid of stuff. If you don't love it, ditch it. Moving stuff is expensive. It's freaking annoying packing extra stuff that you don't really need. So if you don't love it, try and sell it on something like Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp or one of those other apps.
Or, stick it in a pile, stick it in your car, and take that stuff to Goodwill. And if nobody wants it at Goodwill, throw the stuff in the garbage, all right? It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money by not paying to move the stuff that you don't need. Don't be those people that just wait until they get to their new place to do the purge, and then got to get rid of all the stuff there. Just creates you little clutter piles in your house, and you don't need it. So don't do it.
All right, so hack number 3 is don't buy boxes. Get them for free. Check places like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist. There's tons of people out there who have moved and they don't want to take the time to recycle all those boxes. They'd rather give them to somebody else for free.
Yeah. Or, you can go to the back of local grocery stores, any of those type of places that get boxes. They typically save them, and you could probably get those from them for free. Or if your city's cool and it's got those little recycle centers, you can go there, jump inside of those cardboard recycle bins, and pull out yourself some boxes. That's what we used to do back in the day, and it works great, and it saves you a lot of money.
No shit, I've done this my whole life, right? Use plastic bags, put all my clothes in, and move that way, and then put everything else in cardboard boxes that we got for free. But I just recently transferred states for work, and I didn't have a whole lot of time to pack and move, and so I ended up buying boxes for the first time in my life and packed everything that way. And he helped me move, and some of my other friends helped me move. And one of the other dudes was like, holy shit, dude, I've never seen somebody actually buy boxes for moving before. You must be doing pretty well, right? Because people don't normally buy boxes. Well, I guess I don't normally buy boxes.
They're expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah. No shit, there I was. I walked in the front door, and he was like, oh, I bought boxes. And I was like, man, you know how I know you're white? Because you bought your boxes to move. Because, come on. You don't buy boxes. It's just expensive. Super expensive.
Every time. Yeah.
Yeah. Probably nobody had no time to go jump in some cardboard recycle dumpsters.
It does take time. So, when you're going to get boxes for free, think ahead of time and start collecting boxes, because when it's, down to crunch time and you need to pack your stuff is not the good time to go look for free boxes, because it takes a little while to collect. Okay, so if you do have to buy boxes because you're in a crunch, they're really not that expensive if you go to the right places. If you go to somewhere like U-Haul, yeah, you're going to pay a freaking buttload of money for boxes. But if you go to Walmart, they're not that bad. And Walmart does run out of stock sometimes. And Home Depot always has boxes in stock. And they might be 10 cents more a box.
Yeah.
Which is better than, trying to scrounge up some boxes at a grocery store and packing your stuff into some banana boxes.
Yeah. Or some boxes that are like rectangles, while some boxes are like circular, and some boxes are this big, while some boxes are that big. makes it all kind of silly.
But you gotta do what you gotta do if you don't have any money.
Right.
Or you're trying to be frugal.
Last but not least, hack number 4. Don't go grocery shopping 2 weeks before you move. What you should be doing is eating all those odds and ends that you have in your place, like your random cans of beans and your top ramen and your other stuff that, you're not going to take with you when you move because it'll go bad or it'll get rotten or spoiled or what have you. So, don't pack food.
All right, so as a recap, plan it out. Everything takes time. Moving takes a lot more time than you think it's actually going to take. Cleaning your place takes a lot more time than anybody ever thinks it's going to take. So if you want to get that security deposit back, have enough time to actually clean it nice, a deep clean. And then if you want to, not stress out about boxes, start collecting boxes in advance. Or if you don't want to waste food, plan it out, plan your meals out so that you don't have to move as much food when it comes time to actually move. So, this one isn't really a hack, more of a recap, but give yourself more time to pack and get ready to leave and move to the next place than you think you're going to need.
Yeah. Don't be like him and just wait until the last minute and then just everything's on fire. We got to move tomorrow.
Whoa. Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Whoa. Throw me under the bus on camera.
Yeah. He did it.
I did.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. In the comments below, let us know if this helped you with any of your moving worries or issues or questions or concerns.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Yeah!